To program the schedule, press More, select Schedule, and that will bring you into this screen, which is a day-by-day breakdown of a week, showing what the heater is doing at each particular hour of each particular day. The colour-coded blocks correspond with the different temperature settings that the radiator operates at. So the orange icon with the sun represents the comfort setting. The green icon, the green colour with the moon icon represents economy setting, and lastly, the blue with the snowflake represents anti-frost setting. So if we take Monday as an example, we can see that at 7 o'clock in the morning, the heater goes from anti-frost mode or anti-frost setting into comfort setting. And it's then on for a few hours, and then at 11 o'clock it reverts back to the economy setting, and so on and so on. To program an individual day is very easy. Simply click on the appropriate column for the day you wish to select. Now let's do Monday as an example. So when we click on Monday, we then get a more detailed breakdown hour by hour from midnight through to sort of 23:59 the following the end of the day, with again the same colour coded blocks for each individual hour, showing what the heater will be doing at that particular time. And to change them is very easy. Simply select the setting that you want and press the appropriate hour block to change the temperature setting for the heater. So we've just changed comfort to economy. If we wanted to change that back again, we select comfort, and again we just simply press each of the hour blocks to change the setting. So once you've programmed a particular day, it is actually possible to replicate the timings for that particular day into other days. So if you've got several days in your week where your movements are the same, rather than having to program each day individually, you can simply copy one day and replicate it several times, and that's really easy to do. Once you're in the particular day that you'd like to use, you simply press this button saying copy day, and then tell the app which days you want to copy that into. So we're going to copy Monday into Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Press copy, and then when you go back into the main screen for the schedule, you can see that now Monday is replicated into Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and it's as easy as that. So that's our schedule set up complete, with corresponding days copied from one to the other. Now if we go back into the menu, one final feature that the app has, which is very useful in today's day and age, is the records feature. And what this enables you to do is, by use of the graph shown, it enables you to analyse your usage day by day, month by month, or even annually, to see where you are using the heater at particular times in the day, and perhaps where you may wish to change your settings to use your energy more economically, which is great for the environment and great for pounds in your pocket.